Hi guys, I'm Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be opening up my very first POPSUGAR Must Have subscription box. It is the fall 2019 box that just came out. So the POPSUGAR Must Have box is $75 per box. It is a seasonal box. So you would be getting 4 shipments a year. So for this first box, I had a coupon code that I used. So instead of the $75, I ended up paying $58.44. So let's dive into this box right here. I am super excited. Opening up subscription boxes is kind of like Christmas morning. Sometimes you just don't know what you're gonna get. The POPSUGAR Must Have box is a lifestyle subscription box. With this being my first POPSUGAR box, I did not customize anything. I'm told that you can customize a few items. I don't know if they notify you beforehand to do that or if you're just supposed to know to log into your account to do that. But either way, I completely forgot that I was getting this box. So needless to say, the customizable items in this box are not customized. So I'm excited to see what it is that they sent me. This is the box that it comes in. I went ahead and just opened up the front here. I have not looked at any items yet, so you are getting my first impression of everything. I am told that the boxes from POPSUGAR Must Have used to be a lot nicer. I don't really have anything to compare it to, so just by looking at this box here, it's just your standard cardboard box. So it seems okay to me. So let's just go ahead and open it. It says, "Happiness delivered, POPSUGAR." That's what it looks like. Quick peek at the items. Exciting. Here's the little booklet that comes with all of the item descriptions. So let's just dive right in. Looks like the first item that we have here is a purse. It's a push lock crossbody from the Cambridge company. It looks like you could have chosen from any of these 3 colors, which is putty, dapple, or stone. It doesn't look like this color matches any of these colors, but it does have a brownish hue to it, so I'm guessing maybe this one? That looks a lot darker than this. So maybe it's this one, but that is too gray. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? This is the purse. And it is a crossbody. And it says it's made in Great Britain. This is not vegan. It is real leather. That's what it looks like inside. So it's just a straight opening. It's pretty small, but it looks like it would fit, you know, a small wallet, cell phone, keys, maybe some gum, cosmetics. First impression of this purse is it isn't something that I would typically go out and purchase for myself. It is nice looking and I would wear it, but I wouldn't necessarily go out and spend money on a purse like this. So there's is that like a gold leaf stamp right there? I don't really like those on purses. I would rather the company have stamped, you know, the closure here or have it somewhere else on the purse, maybe the side, or just have that stamp inside or maybe here somewhere. I think having the stamp right there kind of makes it look cheap. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I was on the hunt for a new crossbody bag, so this will do just fine, but not super excited about the purse, I will say that. Okay, so suggested retail value of this purse is $115. So yeah, definitely would not pay $115 for this. You know, to each his own. So that's the first item. The next item up in the booklet is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in shades either Pillow Talk or Walk of Shame. So let's see what I got. So that's what it comes in. So it looks like they sent me the shade Pillow Talk. So this is the celebrity favorite. Let's see how that swatches. I always smell my lipsticks. That actually smells. It kind of smells chocolatey. So that is the swatch. I don't think that's translating very well on camera. This isn't my type of lipstick shade. It actually looks similar to one that my mom has worn for years. So I might actually just hand this one off to her. The Walk of Shame is a berry rose. So I probably would have went with that had I actually customized the box, which I think is what the model is wearing here. Suggested retail value of this lipstick is $34. So next up, it looks like we have some jewelry from Thai Jewelry, adjustable gold or silver plated ring. Comes in this little bag here. So let's see which one they gave me. As you know, I love silver, not a big gold fan, so I'm hoping for silver here. They sent me the gold one. They sent me the gold one, so let's see. Here it is. There's the ring. Looks like it's adjustable. The ring is not my style. It's gold. Not even sure if I would like it in silver, to be quite honest. I think I'll be passing it on to a loved one. So it says suggested retail is $65. I honestly don't think I'd be spending that much for this ring, but oh, there goes the motorcycles. I'm sorry. It sounds a little crazy out there today. I apologize for all the noise. Next up is the One Love Organics Love and Charcoal Mask. So it comes in this glass jar, and it looks like they are cruelty-free, so that's always good. So that's what it looks like inside. Suggested retail is $49. Excited to try it, so I'm happy about this little product here. Next item, it's food. Is a snack. Love snacks. Snacks are life. All right, so it looks like we have the Maddie and May's Gourmet Popcorn in pumpkin spice and vanilla bean latte flavor. Ooh, so good. Get your fall latte fix with this yummy and guilt-free popcorn. Ooh, it's made without high fructose corn syrup. Plus, it's gluten-free and non-GMO. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so you know I'm gonna have to try this. Smells really good, has really good flavoring. The only problem is I've had like 3 or 4 kernels and they seem stale. They're not that crisp. These are definitely stale. If you got a POPSUGAR box and you tried this, did the texture seem stale to you? Like air had gotten into it and they were not as crisp as they should be. So suggested retail value for the popcorn was $2.99. On to our next item. Ooh. The Soma Brew bottle. Look at that. Double glass wall, pour over coffee, cold brew, or tea. It's dishwasher safe. So if it's not dishwasher safe, I usually don't buy it because who wants to do dishes, right? I mean, who wants to do dishes? You just throw it in the dishwasher. So this is cool. Dishwasher safe. Suggested retail is $40. So I'm not going to open this up because I'm not sure if I am going to be keeping this for myself or if I'm going to be passing this on to a loved one. This is definitely a good item. I'm happy this one came. The next item that we have is Vadam teas. Not sure if I'm saying that right. Turmeric tea sampler. Suggested value for this is $9.99. So I am a tea lover, so I am excited to try this. Come to the end of the booklet where it says, P.S. There's more. NeoCell, a set of 3 collagen protein peptides. It comes in 3 flavors. So you get mandarin orange, pomegranate acai, and an unflavored pack. They promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. So dissolves into hot or cold beverages. I don't typically do like powdered dietary supplements, but I'm always up for trying things that help promote, you know, healthy skin, hair, and nails. I will definitely be keeping these and trying them. The next item in the PS There's More section is this little Vanity Fair compact mirror. So it looks like in the back is this little 75% off a beauty back bra. Beauty back bra is 75% off. I'm not sure how much the beauty back bra is, but if it doesn't break the bank, I will definitely be using this Bad Larry right here. The total value of all the products in this first box that I received is $315.98. That is a good value for something that I only paid $58.44 for. For the most part, I think the purse, even though it's not something that I would have purchased myself, I think I will get use out of it. I'm excited to try this. I'll get use out of that. The little extras here, that was fine. Wasn't excited about the ring. I definitely think they could have chosen something a little more different, but you know, it's not for me. It might be for you. You might be excited over these types of rings. That's fine. But I do think it was cool that they included a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. That's always nice, even though the shade isn't for me, but I definitely think that was a nice item to have. I do think this was a cool item to include in the box here. I would say, for the most part, if this was a monthly subscription, I definitely don't think I would do it. But because it is seasonal, I am interested in seeing what other products and items they add to their other seasonal boxes. And I have watched a couple of videos from past boxes that were really cool and exciting. So I definitely will try and do a second box and see what it's like. Because I have high hopes for it. I still have high hopes for you, POPSUGAR. So I'm excited to see what they do in their next box And depending on how that box goes, we'll see if I continue on with the subscription. But overall, it was an okay box. You know, some of the items were exciting. The others, not so much. They fell a little short, but definitely something that I am willing to try for a second box, and excited to see, you know, what they send. So I hope you enjoyed my POPSUGAR Must Have unboxing. If you are not a subscriber and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite item was. And if you received this same box, let me know what you thought. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.